How to offload apps on iPhone 12 series. So if you have any of the iPhone 12 series, iPhone 12, iPhone 12 mini, iPhone 12 Pro, and iPhone 12 Pro Max, and now you want to offload the application, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if I don't know this, you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to offload iPhone 12 apps, all you just need to do is go ahead and put the settings app on your iPhone. On the settings page, scroll down and then click on general. Once you selected the general option, scroll down and click on iPhone storage. Then here, scroll down and locate the application you want to offload on your iPhone. So just scroll down like this. And if you do not have access to the entire application, just locate show all and tap it. And this will make all the application you have on your iPhone fixable. So go ahead and locate the application you want to offload on your iPhone. Click on it. Now, once you click on the application, we say offload app and then delete app. To offload the application, just go ahead and tap offload app. Then you're going to see a pop-up that says, offloading this app will delete the app, but keep its documents and data. Then proceed and tap offload app. Then hang on. Then you should see the application offloaded on your iPhone. And then you should see an option to reinstall the application again. If you now want to delete the application completely on your iPhone, such that you don't want to keep the app data and the documents, go ahead and tap delete app. Then tap delete app from the pop-up. Then you see the application removed or uninstalled on your iPhone. So that is basically how to offload apps on iPhone 12. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.